Hi, my name is Kevin from Hawaii. I've been with the drone about 5 years. I try many kind of the drone, even the cheaper one or the good one. I have the Phantom 4, but I don't use that anymore because that is heavy and big. Because now I have the Mavic um, 2, Mavic 3, and I have Mavic Mini too. Yeah, I have DJI Mini 3 and Mini 4 Pro. So before I joined this event, I don't have a lot of information, and I feeling like I need to learn something from professional way. And I already registered to get the FAA license, but I don't have any chance to learn like this. But this is the first time I joined to the event, and I feel very happy. I'm very lucky because a lot of information I learned today, and I'm so excited to wait for the next day again to learn more. And I have a plan. Think about I have the plan to open the business with the drone because that is very big opportunity for people now. So thank you very much